survey finds the biggest barrier between people living in Franklin County and good health care is transportation. This survey from Carillion shows patients often can't get a ride to doctor's appointments, especially in the most rural parts of the county. As WSLS 10's Rachel Lucas finds, it's a problem for patients and hospitals and rescue squads.
One of the biggest burdens from that lack of transportation is being put on the local rescue squad. The survey found that oftentimes ambulances are being called to people's home because they don't have any other means of transportation, even in a non-emergency situation. It's not a lack of doctors or health providers, it's a lack of transportation to get there.
It's very frustrating.
Despite their best efforts to care for patients, especially for follow-ups, it's a problem Administrator Bill Jacobson of Franklin Memorial Hospital sees on a daily basis.
We do occasionally have a patient that will come in here by ambulance, and we treat them, and we're ready to release them from emergency room, and they have no way home.
It's a countywide problem among all demographics, but especially for low-income patients, those with disabilities, as well as the elderly.
The issue is we've got to have some transportation in Franklin County and Rocky Mount.
Working to fix the problem, the executive director of the Disability Rights and Resource Center in Rocky Mount. He's heading up the task force.
We all have an interest in improving transportation because there is absolutely no public transportation of any type for people that are shut in for whatever reason to get to their doctor's appointments.
He says they're working on modeling the volunteer-based program off of Bedford Rides, a similar initiative that was successful in Bedford.
I really believe in less than 18 months we can have at least a couple of vehicles on the road.
Dubbed Franklin Rides, the program would be based on volunteer drivers. It's expected to cost a little over $200,000 a year and will heavily rely on donations. The next step in the program will be securing funding to make a public transportation system possible. In Franklin County, I'm Rachel Lucas, WSLS 10.